Hello friends, I am Sunil Patnaik. I have been in IT industry for last 15 years and have worked across many domains: government, telecom, oil and gas, and other domains in the industry. Okay, and I have been through across many roles, from IT strategy to process consultant to project management. Now, what I have seen is that there is a phenomenal change in how the projects are managed, and this change has come because of the changing business demand and which is being driven by the changing market economics. So organizations today want to deliver faster projects, especially IT projects, because IT is one of the key pillars in the business domain today, which not only gives them the platform to work but also is an efficiency driver through bringing different applications at their doorstep to meet the business requirements. Now, why organizations want to deliver IT projects quickly? One, there is a business demand, and second, IT has now been from a enabler tool has become a partner in the business growth, and this is where IT also looks into deliver these projects fast because it wants to contribute to the growth of the organization. It is no more a cost center but as a growth center, looked as a growth center. And this position of IT in the organization has been driving the requirement to adopt new project management methodologies to deliver IT projects quicker and faster and in an efficient way. And this is where the organizations or the IT teams or the IT management have felt a need to move from the traditional method of project management delivery to a more faster delivery of projects. And to meet this demand, they have started moving towards the agile framework of project management or project delivery. Now, are the organizations ready enough? Were our traditional methods not that efficient enough? So this question has to be answered properly, because one fine day you cannot go and switch to a new framework or a new methodology of delivery. Now, what organizations should do? Organizations should carefully think and understand that agile is not an injection or a vaccine to all the diseases which they are having right now, or agile is not a solution to all their problems of faster project delivery. It is not a one-stop solution. That is what they should understand. Second is that the organization should be ready enough to inculcate that agile method of delivery into their working methodologies. The teams who have been working in the traditional way all throughout their long period of time cannot transform in one single night. So what should the organizations do? The organizations first should understand that to have agile as the project management delivery methodology, they need to transform gradually to that position. Second, they need to understand all projects cannot be delivered through an agile way. There are projects which still be efficiently delivered through the old project management methodology, the waterfall or the iterative model. Now, how organizations need to decide it? The organizations should first of all develop a framework where they measure the projects, and they have a criteria framework developed on how to identify which is the best project management methodology for that. And this is something I will talk to you in my second video. So friends, I would like to have your comments and feedback on what I have spoken today. Okay, and hope to meet you again in my second video where I talk how we transform our project management setup from the traditional setup to a more newer and agile methodology of framework delivery. Okay, bye bye, take care.